How to fix Witch's Apocalyptic Journey is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click the game and open the properties window, and in the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. And once it's completed you can close Steam and then open up your browser and go to this link which is in the description below. And now from the redistributables table, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of these. This will require computer restart when you finish. Next, what you need to do is open up your GPU app to get the latest driver updates. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on your GPU. And just download and install the latest available drivers. Next, all you need to do is launch Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then you can open up the game from your Steam library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.